Hey, bro, what'd you say about that light pole?
I'm about to grease up that pole. They're gonna have to grease that pole up because I'm about to scale it.
Hey, we're fine, we're fine.
Oh, he wanted that one.
They caught the kick. Nance for three.
Nance was open. Is open, wide open. Hey, no light pole?
I'll still go up. Yeah.
Winning us 1-0.
Franklin Street does have a lot of people, but it's a bunch of sad fans.
Catch us in March. We'll be back.
Yeah, boy. Chapel Hill cheat codes with Royce. Tell us about Al's Fries, Royce.
If you get to go, you get a giant basket. And the Kenny Jesus Beast.
I was like, oh, what do you got next? This video needs to get more than 23,000 views this year.
Hey, shout out to my one fan.
Shout out to the guy at the baseball game. He comes up.
This is for you.